Hi and welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you are new. If you are new and you like makeup, beauty, hair or hauls, then please consider subscribing. So today I am going to be reviewing some nail polishes, well they're gel polishes from Madame GLAM. So I've reviewed some of these before. I did, I can't remember, it's quite a while ago now. I did a little nail look with them, but they've just brought out a new spring collection and I picked up some. They're pastels, absolutely stunning. And yeah, I got a purple, pink and a blue one, I think. So yeah, so this is the packaging that they come in, absolutely gorgeous. And then inside you open it up and it's actually got this really nice kind of padding in it. So obviously because they're glass bottles, you don't want them to break in transit. So it comes absolutely beautifully packaged in there as well. So this is the nail look that I created and I absolutely love this. I think it's really cute, really kind of spring-like. You know, you could wear it in the summer as well. I just really like pastels and I thought these colours went absolutely beautifully together. So I'm going to show you today how I created this look. So the colours that I chose were Sweetness, which is a really nice pastel blue shade. I also picked up Cherry Petals, which is a really nice pastel pink. And then Viola, which is a really nice like lilac-y shade. I also grabbed the white gel paint as well, which are really good actually because for doing nail art, they don't bleed into the cured polishes. So they're great for that. And then I also got an Elixir cuticle oil as well, which smells really nice. It smells kind of citrusy. So all of these products are cruelty-free and vegan. And I think they're really good. I actually really like them. For pastel polishes, I created this look. I only had to use 2 coats and I find pastels can be a little bit temperamental sometimes. Sometimes you need to lay them up with 3 coats, but 2 coats was absolutely fine. There was no streaks or patchiness or anything like that on them. Yeah, really nice. So I recorded me doing my nails. So I'm going to insert that in for you now to have a look at. So my nails are all prepped and ready to go. And then I'm just going to take the base coat and apply that, obviously over all the nails. And then I'm going to let that cure for 60 seconds. Then I'm taking the Madame GLAM polishes in Sweetness, Cherry Petals and Viola. So I'm just applying the Sweetness one to my thumb. That's the blue shade. So it looks like that. And then on these 2 fingers, I am going to apply Viola, which is the purpley lilac shade. And then Cherry Petals is going on the other 2 nails. So I'm trying to get this quite nice and even because pastels can be a bit tricky to work with. I'm obviously making sure that I cap all the ends as well. And then I'm going to cure these for 60 seconds and then apply another coat after that. So this is just a pale pink polish that I already had. So I'm just going to apply this kind of in little almost squiggly dots, kind of like that. And then I'm taking the white gel polish or gel paint. This doesn't, because it's a gel paint, it doesn't bleed into the other already cured polish, which is really good. So it makes it easier to, you know, draw your designs. I'm just going around the edges, kind of like in wiggly lines to make it look like the outline of the flower. And then this is the one that's going to have like candy stripes on. So it's just simply 3 stripes along from the base to the top of the nail. Like that. And then once they're cured, I'm applying my top coat. So again, just 1 coat all over and then the cuticle oil. So this is actually cruelty-free and vegan and smells lovely too. So I'm just applying that to the base of the nails and then giving it a good rub in. And there we go. Really simple but cute design, nice and spring-like. Be nice for the summer as well actually, but I thought these were really quite cute and pretty. So there you go, there's my cute little spring nail design, and yeah, I absolutely love it. I really do. I think it's really, really nice. I love pale colours anyway. Well, I'm one extreme to the other, pale or dark. I'm not a fan of like in-betweeny colours. So all products will be listed in the description box below if you want to check them out for yourself. They do loads of different colours as well, a massive, massive range. Really, really nice polishes. So I hope you enjoyed watching, and if you did, please give me a thumbs up, and I'd really appreciate it. It'd mean the absolute world to me if you did enjoy watching this video and you would like to see more content from me in the future, and you would like to subscribe to my channel. Until then, thanks for watching. Bye!
I'm thinking you were made for me. Isn't it my birthday yet? Cause I gotta say, you're looking like a gift for me, wrapped up nice and neat, baby.